Okay, to align the punch and die, you're going to want to raise the assembly up onto the punch. Have a piece of metal underneath so you can hold it, make sure your hands are out of the way, and then drop it down onto it. Shut the machine off. The ram will stay in the down position. You can slide your piece of metal out, and now the punch is aligned in the die. Go ahead and bolt it down, and just make sure you've got clearance all the way around. To change mandrels, just loosen up the bolt on the back. The locator pins are designed to stay in the mandrel. You can take the whole location pin out. Slide that in. Make sure you got the correct side up. That's the die side. That's the slug side that comes out the bottom. Pins will line it up. And go ahead and tighten it down. Locator pin, and you're ready to punch the next size. Okay, this is the large diameter pipe. You do want to be aware of where your seam is on your tubing. That's the reason for the flats on the mandrel. So you're going to feed that in. It's going to hit the stop. You're going to punch your hole. You're going to slide off. It'll locate on the hole. To do your other, and the slugs will be inside the tubing now. To do your other hole location, move your pin. Do two here. There's your holes straight through. This one straight through. This is a medium-sized tube. This is the swage tubing, so this has its own mandrel. This is the smallest mandrel for the swage tubing. The anvil is designed to stop so that the hole is 1.5 inches from the swage. The 1.5 inches from the swage. As a backup, this one does have a pin locator as well.